So here we have some jerk aubergine. This is going to be done on our griddle. So we've sliced the aubergine and scored it. Now we're going to be adding some jerk seasoning. Bear in mind jerk can be very hot, so use as little or as much as you really like. Now once you've done that, preheat the griddle on a medium temperature. To check if the griddle is hot enough to begin to cook, just splash some water and see the marbles dance. If the water beads, place your aubergine onto the griddle and press it down firmly. This will take around 7 to 8 minutes to cook on a medium-low heat. So you can see me here placing the aubergine down and leaving for just a few minutes to begin to cook. As you can see, it doesn't stick, which is great, and you can easily turn it over. We have decided to do ours with a vegan cream cheese, pistachio nuts, pomegranate, and some fresh herbs. It's up to you really. You can do it as you like.